High ping in Valorant can significantly affect your gameplay experience. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you reduce your ping and improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Use an online speed test tool to measure your current internet speed and ping. This will give you a baseline to understand your connection quality. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If you are currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and provide lower latency compared to wireless connections. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Valorant, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth, such as streaming services, downloads, or cloud backups. Step 4. Change server region. In Valorant, go to the settings and check your server region. Select a server that is geographically closer to you to reduce latency and improve your ping. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings by enabling quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic. Additionally, consider resetting your router or contacting your ISP if you continue to experience high ping. By following these steps, you can work towards achieving a more stable and responsive gaming experience in Valorant. Good luck and enjoy your game.